Hello, I'm Professor Ken Mills, based at Queen's University Belfast, and in today's video information day for the Nemesis programme, I'd like to talk to you about the masterclasses and mobility placements. Nemesis is an Erasmus Plus programme whose purpose is to provide qualified staff with the essential technical and bioinformatic knowledge and skills on next generation sequencing, to enable them to carry out some next generation studies and perform some of the most common types of analyses. In Work Package 1 of Nemesis, we surveyed the state of the art of the use of next generation sequencing as a tool to improve personalised medicine. And you can see the results from that on our video information day number 2 at nemesis.com. In Work Package 2, the training course and mobility programme, we aim to have the training of professional and scientists on technical fundamentals and practical applications of next generation sequencing. As we know, there's an increasing role of next generation sequencing in personalised medicine, and the most effective clinical management medication for most individual patients is based on whole genome sequence. This Nemesis course will be given by members of the partner higher education institutes or enterprises who are focused on next generation sequencing for haematological malignancies. Work Package 2, the training programme, is to develop a programme for the clinicians and scientists to acquire competencies to improve next generation sequencing associated personalised healthcare. Our course will also consider the needs related to the management and entrepreneurship competencies which are increasingly demanded by diagnostic clinical laboratories. The modules in Work Package 2 include a pre-course background module, Module A, which includes next generation sequencing in the clinic, Module B, data analysis, Module C, implementation issues, and Module D, artificial intelligence, while Module E is the final one, looking at innovation. These are delivered by our 5 academic partners and our 3 small and medium enterprise partners. The pre-course background is given by members from Queen's University Belfast and basically gives a programme outline and expectations of the course. It also covers why next generation sequences are important for blood cancer, some introduction into patient selection and sample quality, some basic introductory bioinformatics, and a short assessment around with an essay and activities. Module A is delivered by the University of Salamanca, the Charité Hospital in Berlin, University of Helsinki, and CTEC in Czech Republic. Module A covers DNA sequencing technologies. Module A2, practical examples to follow up on the Module A1, and Module A3 will be expanding NGS repertoire into other types of next generation sequencing. Module B is focused on data analysis, delivered by CTEC and Artelix. In first module, you'll get an introduction to the next generation sequencing data analysis. Module B2 will be analyzed using R, and for those more advanced ones, be data analysis using Python. Module C looks at implementation issues, particularly around the barriers and risks in next generation sequencing in health. Module D is around artificial intelligence. What can we learn from our data and how we can implement it in the web of data. So there's 2 levels, there's the basic and the more advanced levels delivered by MENEX. Module E is innovation, given by our Spanish partner IDEMIS on entrepreneurship and innovation. Also within the masterclasses, there's placements, and it's planned to offer these to selected participants for short-term placements at one of the 5 academic institutions or at one of the 2 enterprises. The placements could be for a period of 1 week or up to 2 months, depending on the institution and the participants' availability and time restraints, and particularly around the COVID-19 restrictions. The timeline for the whole master course: the pre-module is planned to start in just a few weeks' time at the beginning of March 2021. The online course will last for around 16 weeks for completion around about July 2021. And placements, again, if possible, given the travel situations, around September, October 21. There will be a second cohort starting again from September 2021. So if you're interested in participating in these masterclass courses, please email info@nemesis.com. Thank you very much for your attention.